Hello, this is Edwin and this is NDANGOH'S Diary. Have you found yourself in a situation where you allow your emotion to get the better of you? Maybe as a result of something that happens at your job site. You intend to complain to your supervisor or coordinator, but you can't. Rather, you found yourself going to the authority like the boss here to seek for help. Well, if you've been in that situation, then I want you to understand that you are not alone, because most workers out there find it difficult to put across a message at their job site when they have challenges or difficulties. For today's video, I'd like to talk about 5 effective ways in which you can put across your complaints and worries in the job place without any problems. 5 ways in which you can make complaints, to be precise. If you're just tuning in, please click the subscribe button. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Never bypass an authority. Sometimes we find ourselves running for help from our immediate bosses or employers at the expense of your coordinator or supervisor. Please do not undermine authority here, because in every organization there are hierarchical order in which workers functions and relate to each other. If you have a problem, talk to the person in charge, and he or she will take your complaint to the necessary authority. Never discuss the problem that you have at the workplace with other colleagues before letting your coordinator know of the issue, because if you do this, it's like you're gossiping, and this might be misinterpreted as you having your own hidden agendas. In fact, as a term of rule, keep the problem to yourself until when you must have discussed it with your supervisor, and then you can freely talk about it with colleagues. State the facts as it is. If you have a problem, say what it is. Do not mix your opinion in the issue. Just paint the picture the way you see it to be. If you have something to contribute, make it known that it is an opinion and it is your way of thinking. Make an official report. You can do this by writing an email, letter, or better still, have a meeting with your supervisor. We all have different approaches in which we complain. Some are comfortable typing, writing, or speaking. Choose whatever that is good for you, whatever approach that will help you to freely express yourself. And finally, wait for replies. Wait patiently. Do not be edgy. Do not sit and you can't work. You think that reply has not come. What should you do? No. Be patient and wait for a response, because once you put across a complaint, your supervisor or boss will do everything to get back to you to make sure whatever the issue is being solved and resolved. And finally, in fact, most importantly, never ever allow your problems to affect your input in the job site. Remember, you are there to work, therefore everybody expects you to be mature enough to handle your own challenges. So if you have problems, try to find solution to these problems without allowing it get the better of you in your job. I hope this helps, and please take this into practice. It will help a lot. That will be it for today's video, and stay tuned for my next video, which is going to elaborate on ways in which you can introduce a new topic in the classroom. Teachers, get excited. Yay! That's the next topic that is coming up. All right, see you. Yay!